Hi students, how have you been? I hope you all are good. Welcome you all to the session. In the previous session, we have discussed the various cyber crimes. Now we will learn that what will be the solution for those crimes in the laws. In this session, we will discuss the various cyber laws. Let's start today's class. Cyber laws. Cyber law is a part of overall legal system that deals with the internet, cyberspace and their respective legal issue. It covers broad area including freedom of expression, access to and usage of the internet and online privacy. Generally, cyber law is also known as law of the internet. It refers to all the legal and regulatory aspects of internet and the World Wide Web. Cyber law is important because it touches almost all aspects of transactions and activities on and concerning the internet, the World Wide Web and cyberspace. Importance of cyber law. It covers all transaction over internet. It keeps eyes on all activities over internet. It touches every action and every reaction in cyberspace. Cyber law, that is related to the legal system of the internet, cyberspace and their electronic equipments. Okay. What is the importance of the cyber law? Cyber law plays a very important role in this new era of technology. It is important as it is concerned to almost all aspects of activities and transactions that take place either on the internet or other communication devices. Whether we are aware of it or not, but each action and each reaction in cyberspace has some legal and cyber legal views. Okay. Next is IT Act. It is also a part of cyber law, but it is a special act. Let's learn about it. IT Act, Indian IT Act 2000, Information Technology Act 2000 or ITA 2000 or IT Act is an act of the Indian Parliament notified on 17th October 2000. This primary law deals with the cyber crimes and electronic commerce in India. It consists of 94 sections that are divided into 13 chapters and 4 schedules. A person of other nationalities can also be indicated under the law if the crime involves a computer or network located in India, which means the law applies to the whole of India. The IT Act 2000 has provisions that permits the interception, monitoring of traffic data. Okay. Then, the cyber laws in India and the provision for legal action and punishment have been explained. Section 67A. The offence is publishing images containing sexual acts. The penalty is imprisonment up to 7 years and or fine up to 10 lakh. Then 67B. Publishing child porn or predating children, online imprisonment. up to 5 years and or fine up to 10 lakh on first conviction is the penalty. Then 67C, failure to maintain records. Imprisonment up to 3 years and or fine up to 2 lakhs is the penalty. Okay. Then 68 section, failure or refusal to comply with orders. Imprisonment up to 7 years and or possible fine, that is the penalty. Then the offense is failure or refusal to decrypt data. The section is 69. Then the penalty is imprisonment up to 3 years and or fine up to 1 lakh. Then section is 70. Securing access or attempting to secure access to protected system. The penalty is imprisonment up to 10 years and or fine. Then 71 is the section. The offense is misrepresentation. The penalty is imprisonment up to 3 years and or fine up to 1 lakh. These all sections are indicated in this IT Act. Okay. Then IT Act 2000 amendment. A major amendment was made in 2008. It introduced section 69, which gave authorities the power of interception, monitoring or decryption of any information through any computer resource. It is also introduced 66A, which penalized sending of offensive messages. Amendments also contained penalties for child pornography, cyber terrorism and surveillance. The Act was passed in December 2008 and came into force in October 2009. Okay, clear? These all are very important topics. You just identify the cyber crimes, cyber laws and IT Act. Okay, be aware of this, then act in a good way. Okay guys, these all are very easy and interesting topics. You must identify these all IT Act, cyber laws and cyber crimes. I hope it's clear to you. That's all for today. See you soon. Take care. Bye.